Jamaica on 7-day shutdown starting April 1st. Now, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. 7-day island-wide curfew for Jamaica starting April 1st. Jamaica is now to impose a 7-day island-wide curfew effective April 1st as the government seeks to limit the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus. This was made in an announcement by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, saying measures will run from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. So just to clarify, 8 p.m. is nighttime, right? So it's going to run from the night to the morning. So from 7 to 8 in the night, daily operations can still go on, meaning work and every other thing can still go on. But the Prime Minister stated that he will outline the details of movement that will be accepted during this curfew. This means there will be a restriction of public transportation and all movement except where exempt, right? Meanwhile, Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton indicated that Jamaica now has 36 cases of the COVID-19 coronavirus here in Jamaica. So that tells you that the number is going up daily, and they are trying to put a handle on things so that it doesn't spread and affect the population at large. They are trying to put a handle on it. So that is why they have imposed this curfew. I want you guys to remember to give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave in the comment section, do you agree with this curfew? Do you think that the curfew should be in the daytime, seeing that most persons operate and move up about in the daytime? Now keep it locked to the Sauna room, because this is where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.